Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get someone to unfollow you on Instagram. First of all, and of course, you will need an Instagram application. If you don't have that, just go and download it through Play Store if you have an Android or App Store if you have an iPhone. Then, all you need to do, just go and create your account by clicking at sign in. If you do have an account, all you need to do, just go log in and let's get straight to it. So, let's say for example, this is your account on Instagram. All you need to do first is to see who followed you. How can you see that? As you can see, we have a heart icon on the top right corner. If you click on that, as you can see here, if someone follows you, it will appear maybe in this week or maybe in new or maybe even in this month. If someone followed you, it will appear here. But let's say for example, you don't have a private profile and you don't want to make your profile private, you want to make it public, but someone followed you and you don't like maybe this person who followed you, or you just want him to unfollow you. All you need to do, just go and click at your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then here, oh, let's see here, I don't have any followers, so I cannot show you, but let me go and show you at my other accounts. Just click on that and change account. As you can see here, in this account I have some followers here, so if I want to remove someone or get someone to unfollow me, all I need to do, just click on followers, and as you can see here, we have a remove option. So let's say for example, I don't like this user. All I need to do, just click on remove. As you can see, they will ask me remove follower. Instagram won't tell him they were removed from your follower. All you need to do now, just click at remove and he will be removed from your followers. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching and goodbye.